Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're taking a fresh look at SafetyCulture iAuditor, a software solution designed to improve workplace safety and compliance. Your goal is to reevaluate its compliance features and overall value, keeping in mind that this review is for safety professionals, managers, and auditors looking to streamline their processes. We'll begin by examining the core functionality and updates. We'll look at digital checklists and inspections, including an overview of the template library and the customization options that iAuditor offers. We'll also consider its offline accessibility and syncing capabilities. A key element of this review will be any new features or updates implemented since our last major evaluation. Then, we'll assess the issue reporting and corrective actions. How easy is it to report issues with photos and descriptions? And what's the workflow for assigning and tracking corrective actions? We'll also explore its integration with other systems, such as project management tools, and determine the effectiveness of issue resolution tracking. Finally, we'll investigate the analytics and reporting features, examining the available dashboards and reports, customization options, and data export capabilities. We'll also consider the insights it provides for improving safety performance. EXT will dive into the compliance-specific features, starting with regulatory compliance. We'll check its support for common compliance standards like OSHA and ISO, and whether it offers pre-built templates for specific regulations. The system's ability to track compliance across multiple sites will be examined, along with its audit trail functionality for compliance reporting. Then we will move on to training and competency. Does iAuditor offer features for tracking employee training and certifications, and does it integrate with learning management systems, or LMS? We'll examine the evidence-gathering capabilities for demonstrating competency, and the availability of tools for creating and delivering safety training content. We'll also cover risk management, exploring the tools for conducting risk assessments and documenting and tracking control measures. Crucially, we'll look at the system's integration with incident reporting and its features for analyzing risk trends. Now, let's consider the user experience and mobile app. We'll assess the ease of use, focusing on the intuitiveness of the web interface, the user-friendliness of the mobile app, and the onboarding process for new users. The mobile app's performance will be examined, including its responsiveness and stability, offline capabilities, battery consumption, and compatibility with different mobile devices. Lastly, we'll explore the integration capabilities, noting API availability and integration with other popular platforms like Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. We will also consider the ease of integrating iAuditor with existing systems. Moving on to pricing and value, we'll provide an overview of pricing plans and features, the cost per user, and any hidden fees or limitations. Then, we'll evaluate the value for money, comparing iAuditor to other compliance solutions, conducting a return on investment (ROI) analysis, and considering its scalability for growing organizations. We'll advise users to consider whether iAuditor fits their company's size and requirements. EXT will lay out iAuditor's strengths and weaknesses. We'll highlight its key advantages, focusing on areas where it excels, and we'll identify areas where iAuditor could improve, addressing any significant limitations or drawbacks, and considering the impact on different users. Finally, we'll summarize the findings of the review and answer the critical question: is SafetyCulture iAuditor still a good compliance solution? We'll provide a final recommendation, potentially including suggestions for alternative solutions if necessary. We encourage you to request a demo or start a free trial to see if it meets your specific needs. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.